How do you get continuous numbering in Compile? Hi, my name's Juliet, and there's a code for that. Some Scrivener Compile templates have continuous numbering included. Well, I suppose most of them do if you just count chapter titles, but here I'm talking about numbering paragraphs as well. This is the full indented outline, and here I'm selecting the same section layout for each level. This will create hierarchical numbering depending on the structure of your manuscript. Of course, using the same section layout gives you exactly the same text size and formatting for all levels, which may not be what you want. If you'd like different formatting, create a custom layout, select the numbering layout you've chosen, either decimal or alphanumerical, and click on the little plus symbol to create a new version of it. Rename that and change the format as required, and then apply to the sections you want to have it in the assigned section layouts. If you need more than one, just click plus again. If you want this kind of numbering in a different format that doesn't have it already, you're going to have to use the code, which you can copy from the above format or type in yourself into the Title Options tab under Prefix. These are your main options. $HN. This will create decimal numbering. This is what we've already seen. The code AHN will create alphabetic numbering. Putting the AHN in caps will put the text in caps. You can see both here on different levels. If you're using this kind of numbering, you should probably omit it from the main title as it repeats. Finally, $AON gives you alphanumeric numbering. Next month I'll cover some more ways to change the coding for those who want something a little more specific. In the meantime, here are some other codes you might be interested in.